Hello everyone. In this question, it is given that if m is a real number such that m to the power 4 plus 1 upon m to the power 4 is equal to 119, then we have to find the value of absolute value of m cube minus 1 upon m cube. Okay, so first of all, we are given that m to the power 4 plus 1 upon m to the power 4, this is equal to 119. Okay, so if I add 2 to both sides, this will become m to the power 4 plus 1 upon m to the power 4 plus 2, and if I add 2 to the right hand side, this will become 121. Okay, so if I try to write the left hand side as a whole square, okay, the first term will become m square whole square, the second term will become 1 upon m square whole square, and the third term, these two can be written as 2 times m square times 1 upon m square, right? So now the left hand side is equal to m square plus 1 upon m square whole square, and the right hand side, this is also a perfect square, right? So this is equal to 11 whole square. So if I take square root on both sides, we will get m square plus 1 upon m square will be equal to plus minus 11. Okay, so again from this equation, if I subtract 2 from both sides, okay, this will become m square plus 1 upon m square minus 2 will be plus minus 11 minus 2. Okay, so my target is same. I want to make the left hand side a whole square again. Okay, so this is equal to m square, m whole square plus 1 upon m whole square, and again these two can be written as 2 times m times 1 upon m. Okay, and this is plus minus 11 minus 2. Okay, so the left hand side now again becomes a whole square, m minus 1 upon m whole square is equal to plus minus 11 minus 2. Okay, so this gives us two cases. In the first case, if we take this plus 11, this will become 11 minus 2, which becomes 9. So from here, if I take the square root again, this is 3 square, right? This is equal to 3 square. So on taking the square root again, this will become plus minus 3. Whereas in the other side, m minus 1 upon m whole square, if I take minus 11, this will become minus 13. Okay, and since m is a real number, this square cannot be negative, right? So we are rejecting this, rejected. Okay, we are rejecting this solution, that minus 11 minus 2. Okay, so now we have two values of m minus 1 upon m. Okay, we are given plus minus 3. Okay, we are required to find this value, m cube minus 1 upon m cube. Okay, so now m minus 1 upon m whole cube, this formula is m cube minus 1 upon m cube minus 3 times m times 1 upon m times m minus 1 upon m, right? A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so we are given two values, one is plus 3, other one is minus 3. Okay, so if we take the first case, that m minus 1 upon m is plus 3, and we'll see the other case also, which is m minus 1 upon m is equal to minus 3. Okay, so if I plug these values in this equation, we get the left hand side will be 3 cube will be equal to m cube minus 1 upon m cube minus, this will become, this product 3ab will be 3, right? M times 1 upon m will cancel out, so this will become 3 times m minus 1 upon m, so this is 3 again. Okay, so this now becomes 27 equal to m cube minus 1 upon m cube minus 9. So this gives us m cube minus 1 upon m cube is 27, and if this negative 9 goes to the other side, this will become 27 plus 9, so this is 36. Okay, so this is one value. From the other side, if we take this m minus 1 upon m to be minus 3, This is negative 3 whole cube is equal to m cube minus 1 upon m cube minus 3 times negative 3. So this will give us minus 27 equal to m cube minus 1 upon m cube, and this will be plus 9. Okay, so here we get m cube minus 1 upon m cube. If this plus 9 goes to the left hand side, this will become minus 9, so this will become minus 36. Okay, so we get these two values. Okay, we get two values, m cube minus 1 upon m cube is equal to plus minus 36 according as m minus 1 upon m is equal to plus or minus 3, right? If this is plus 3, this value is plus 36. If this is minus 3, this value is minus 36. Okay, so we were required to find the absolute value. Okay, so this implies that the absolute value m cube minus 1 upon m cube will be the absolute value of plus or minus 36, which is 36. Okay, so this is the final required answer. Okay, this is it. This is the final answer. Okay, so I had to just basically use the a plus b whole square factorization, a minus b whole square factorization a few times. Okay, and accordingly the result came out. Okay, so this is it. Thank you.